Have you ever heard of the productivity intervals of elite achievers? And it doesn't matter if you think of the CEOs of Fortune 500 companies or if you think of Olympic athletes. The productivity intervals of elite achievers look exactly the same. And it is in harmonious balance, like the waves coming in and going out. We've got to, after we sprint, and it doesn't matter if we're physically sprinting or working with so much power for days upon days on a task, after that amount of energy being put out, that energy gotta come back in. So we gotta rest. And that balance between rest and sprinting is the productivity interval of elite achievers. Make yourself elite.